ahemfo asofo amanyofo timamufo na nkasa citizens no yen ye gia tumi ese o man no yen nyina ye nim nsentwofo kra bem kra de ade na sei asofo na no mu Bible mu no meba Quran mu so asofo na no mu Bible ni Quran mu other places prophets no na obia boa ma yetimi koyanim mebebubo asofo no ene edifo akese de no mu yema oman Ghana ene oman Israel ene oman na aka no asofo no mfaso ani enya firo mu so na wo ya wa compare ye de
Nhyira fan
yanko Bible mu I'm sure say what Moses in pain Moses what Moses in ka obetimi akan Exodus 21:17 kan Moses do ye otimi boa eyi nkrofo firi nkoaso mu Moses na dwuma ne se ye man task ko yi nkrofo firi nkoaso mu ohia mu ateti mu oppressors rule Moses ne task about otimi yi omo ene esama ne mransem du ene o make sure say ye ho adwuma bra Facebook na be share de ato as prophets ye nya omuso mfaso prophets Moses timi boaye ma yi Israel for free nkoasum ne say no mo tete na ekomuduo mu no mo nya nsuo nom na nyoma nkoye na ahokire wom unemployment Moses timi boaye eyi omu free sa nkoasum ni mu ukọ Joseph so mfaso Joseph timi boaye ma Egypt for edruma bi na ekomo beba Joseph enyansa ni nyankopon kunu mutimi boaye momu se yenkra duane ene because that aduane no problem beba Joseph into economic planning Joseph ni enya ne so mfaso economic say ye amemu Joseph na ne so mfaso no uba mi ankasa mi din Samuel na on ne hira ahemfo ana obuo mu wo amanyo semu Samuel enti eduru ba bia Samuel betimi akwa David anim we yesofo atie o Samuel na dwuma no na otimi kotwi nkrofo anim Nathan ona na ebua ohini David efa amamuo hu nsemu ekwan befa so aye nneoma hwemfa so ani enya free asofo that time no wo Bible ni mu Isaiah ona na ekire se we beba yenhwe yenya ni se yenya se we besi obia so mfaso bebre yenko muslimi mu ne enhwe adifo akese yenko muslimi die ni mu ye bra Facebook na behwe ene nsem na meka bia wontimase ma mpesa woti ase yadwuma na nya ndisi ne MPP eyeye na ye decide say yempese ebekọ anim get me the Islam one. Now kwa Islam munsua Prophet Muhammad asundie nkano hwe nyoma wo ye boaye Prophet Muhammad enyoma wo ye boaye upesikafo pana okọ Saudi Arabia Mecca Medina UAE Ismail nkrofo no Prophet Muhammad asundie nkano ne nkyerɛkyerɛ ni bi na ama ɛhɔ o me yusu a he say ehwa ya kono
Nhyira fan
Jesus Christ Prophet Muhammad eya Ninti America sa hawo ba asofo no de omu ya ne ye ko ye kire wo se yen na ye kire wo se yen na ye ne ye asofo ya ye 30 years ye ne yetimi ehu bonsam ene yetimi kunipa ene yetimi yesei ena wodi mi ho agora me de uja ho ahwan ena Jeff Mashe Prophet Muhammad Prophet Abraham Prophet Musa Prophet Yusuf Prophet Suleiman oko kenkanya ni nyina wo ho omu nyina boa mo Michael nanim enya de na wotumi ena no mu display ye de bra uti asofo ni bia de nkebebo man da bi ene ni show off me na me ye say na we mon kwa kan kire we say ena wa ma me humi a ena say ye hu say 2025 okọ me hu say asofo na kan say ye dua mekwa ebeboa ye dua nto say ebeboa ye dua body ebeboa ye da bi nyankopon nyi say di sem no da bi ye bewu ne nko a edifo na no mo bible no mu omu yi say di ye ni wi a no ma say ye de ebeboa mo oman na kọ nanim me nhye da hu bi wo Ghana ha
Nhyira fan.
Bra, yanko the other one, Buddhist phone and as a phone, so near she. It's me the Muslim for the natural Islam. A deep wa, womu boy ma on mine the corner nim. Let's go to the other one. Nesha Buddhism, Guatemala Buddha. Omo Buddhist phone, to say China, to say Japan. You bet you the 8th part and the 4 noble truths. A guide follower de asundie beba. Hinduism, Krishna, Bhagavad Gita, obetrao, devotion, spiritual and nyoma beboa mo otimi akọ anim ye na de abobra. Sikhism, Guru Nanak, Garus. Ye betrao equality, compassion and nyoma bema wanyini. Enti wo soma eboa wa mo otimi anyini abrabomu adwuma famu bibia mu.
Nhyira fan.
Ye de adwene ho a ye pese ye amanyosem ne ye de bokron no ye pese ye amanyosem ne ye de wiade obi pese oye faster te so ye amanyuni obetimi asidan ne bia wuntimi nsi na ne ye be kire us according to CDD report how much you spend so obesumo mai na no be say na I didn't na won stand the president and I'm see bobo mini $100 million so CDD report na ye de chow CDD report ye de chow
Nhyira fan.
according to CDD report no obe spend over $100 million na dia be president omunya free he ye be kire nyoma wo de ye so person be president a enyoma nko e wo se wo ye chese wudi kan kra bribe nkrofo kra nsa no aba be president yeah for no way you spend close over $100 million and say kwa do dey ko $200 million before you become a president nani de ode be ye ene da ho no kofi yan hwe ade hwe nyoma nko a wo person be president a
yeah nana
wo se wo ye president why waje so be som Ghana no enti de wo se wo ye
nana ano adin o
aha enti
nana de edikan no
aha de obe so de
eka obebobo no
aha
o uni se obefa nomination form o wi a obe file
yeah
na form na wo koje no nko anko ansa na obe file nso eno so de ye wo ho
yeah
nana campaign
yeah
obe campaign obe hia cars
yeah
so what say na no yesu bi ko topic of 300 hon sem bebre yesu ko first can way
yeah
e kire wo say sika semum obe hia car be ko campaign omo be ko campaigns obe mom bibia di eni ade anti campaign no hon sensem no posters abe banners ni ade flyers ni na ho ka wo ho nana oba media and advertisement eno so no obe bodawuru o TV so a ena abete krr na ye gumsa
ene nsentrofo maju sika
de bia be hia omo a
sentrofo a obe kasa wie o maju sika
enya asem ketwa
eno kra onya mai
onso omo bo entuai ba umi akoduru ba bia anye bia yesi bibi di TNT omo ebeba no be mom kakra ma so bo ntua saa omo okochiehia omo tan ho ne ade nyina eden omo so be gi TNT na nani nyina aka no okeka bomu a enya asem ketwa nana delegacy omo kwa koto aba
obetua
fear delegates
obetua
obi GTV obi gidan ba ku ya na minim ni chairman bi wasu wansi dan antoka on support na wo mo gini nyina enu achi community no no behia mpanimfo asofo wo mo so beje obeje wo mo kwan na security ni protocol won so wo mo kwa wo hia bambo bia na obi abehia aprawo eno so obetua mo ka apresifo ne wa private security kra ya wo be mo allowances bi na ni nyina ye ka na wo keka bomu a ehia se wonya be $100 million.
Yes.
$100 million to run for that office.
Yeah.
Nana no achi
$100 million nye Ghana cedis so dollars
you
she say crack 200
aye
to the $100 million
na no say scan dollars nti na me kram
$100 million me busa say wan kasa me ti o mini sa $1 million kra me ni bi
nana ote sa to force say ko obesisi schools bi be 200
yeah
so $360 million no ye hwe ani mu se de bedi dwuma no
yeah
nana wuchemu a emu fa baako de yenya mu chemu miensen emu fa baako nie
ye nti u calculate John Mahama de ne Dr. Baumia de na eno kwa based on this $200 million o de emfa Baumia ne John Mahama de $200 million
ansa na other ones na be keka account nti ti wo de yemfa se nipa be 5 kra na prayer
yeah
na $500 million
yes
un say IMF afibia no my tranches no
yeah
enti first half of the year no bi wo mo de bi maya nana and the case ye pa yetumi anya kura no nana $360 million
yeah
$360 million
yeah
enti there is a ankrofo me and num no mo kono obi 100 no enka ye nya ska bro de IMF de my se ye mo ye ho bra ba ya boso nsi enti na na areho enti nipa no epro ni widiem epro ni botom e de we nyina be gu fam
obenya no he
e ma media fo gidi
and am say Dr. Baumia onitio Dr. Baumia niska yera John Mahama onisika omu nyina niska politicians bia wo hu so mu obi niska na so mu ja $100 million
na omu sika wo bi botom
yeah
omu sika wo bi botom
good
enti omu e only companies
yeah
omu asabi anya kakra wo mu nsam no wa be support o media meta we achi eti yonkofo mo sponsor sa aka ye o
yeah
because awokoba omi abotomu a wunya se eska
no oni bi
ena woko Mahama botomu a wunya se eska no but ye tie ne se ye wonkrofo mu di akire a wo mo na eboa sa nkrofo se mo mpretumi no
yeah
eti wo mu nya tumi no so wi a na akoye te se obedamase na wate ase eti ebinumu de wo ho a ye contract ade be ma no na ne boa to ne yam untimi di nya no contract no so na enra o ka sa honest ka di nkobo no o ka sem bi o se microphone na wote animu yi se ye ka so no metre animu a wontimi ni sa adwuma no ba sa ye politics e be ma na betra microphone animu di entia ontimi nya kra be ma na ye because ye loyal to him edina nipa na boa na wie no adwuma kra nipa ni ntimi nye no esu otimi poni hu bilima no as contract eti ni yetimi nya akwan a enye papa yetimi nya dan a yesi a enyina na abu agu any projects ahodo a enkosipo nipa ne bedi musika because ono so hwe ka wabo no a esu oteneka ti de de be ma no ate so and this is the challenge a ye face with this country na ni nyina hyase e free yabatu mu nhyehyeye electoral commission ono kura fees a woje for filing ufri wa wako party na no MPP die buy yesterday 4.6 more than 40 billion nipa ni ebetua nana meboa ni nyina ye ka obaburawie nti obaburawie no woni so aye ko je so obetena o man na konwa so a ope na MPs ne de won kan ye enya sem keto.
What I'm just saying is say in all these things, you know, emania den because o minor gia to mu say me pesa me besum no just me tua sa sika no. So at the end of the day we know who suffers. And then it moves into the pesa ye kan.
Sure.
Enra quickly odim pacho yanko. Enra na me pesa enra na you know that issue of say MMDCs no. The dioma ketia 5,000 you say they call 35,000. Na first no mo g 16,000.
Yeah.
Aban no net so.
Na name one so mo ka 5,000. Where from the 5,000?
No, sa aban no te so no. That is
no nya the o man need to o mo ka o.
Na me say before say aban no te o mo so. Aban no te so no. Na say 16,000 na no mo gi no. Eso ati about 5,400.
Nana, sacrifices I was obey.
No, there be sacrifices.
Sacrifices. Say nanado aban mu no. And was no money mu aye den kakra. Etinu appointees ni nyina obi antete na ketua so. And wasn't the first time I hu sa no.
Yeah.
Eti from DCs no ni other appointees ni nyina 30%.
Yeah.
And o mutetes. I just want the statistics for nti o mutetes wo no. Uyi sa entity any free ho a.
Yeah.
Na de aka bia no eye de adwumani bi o wa ban mi yete no senate yete obia na eba income tax yete obia It won't mean fair no.
Okay, so do you know say on an average, wo as a worker of government?
Yeah.
Sikani demands a beba was different from that of a DC.
Oh yeah, Nana, any of it yes. Say you know so nisika eso chen me.
There be nisika nso nchen.
Oh Nana.
Nisika nso nchen. Let me tell you.
Nana.
Nisika nso nchen. I had to say abai president you chanika 50,000 say.
I learn say in room.
In room.
But CEOs ni BJ over 100,000. No,
so yemfa say president who just 50,000. A whole president. Ona wo hwe omani nyina sika so. Yese bosome so ane ama 50,000. Ema wo mokro no.
Nana ya na yehwe aketua no nko a. But there are other incentives that can do.
Incentive to say I want to understand incentive.
I remember Sebra Sami Jamfi. Ne salary ni sa emoluments na ewu mu ne buy. We saw no more course wo krumu a. Say allowances ni no ma na ewo wo.
Sami Jamfi etimi anya.
Nana
Sami Jamfi etimi anya 8 billion. Till. You see Sami Jamfi etimi maye 8 billion.
Yeah.
Na ye tua ne ka $8 billion. Na ye ma Sami Jamfi 100,000. Also why ade?
Nana. Yeah, can I say?
And I'm just asking the question so that we build a point.
Yeah.
You see, sometimes you may not understand. Say Sami Jamfi. Etimi mai $8 billion. Na bosomi ye tua ne ka 100,000. O say a doso.
Nana, any esenka the president of the republic, you know. I see money trillions because he is the head of all the institutions. It is a gold board year Jumaye. Oil companies are holding in a ton, no money at the end year Jumaye, cocoa board munina year Jumaye. And His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and Namneso and were appointing effective people. A put normal in place or mine or munina a year Jumaye in Fasware Bano. Guess what? No dear. The Ketia Cranisi at me bodin, Esiano.
Good.
Banana. Office bia ene ne nhyehyɛ
yeah
adwuma bia ne de wom ye appoint you as IGP a e wa katwa se odwunu wadwuma ne nhyehyɛ ye mo appointment say we CEO of Bank of Ghana. In fact we have so many CEOs e wa Ghana ha CEO a CEO of Cocoa Board, CEO of your friend is saying Gold Board, CEO omunyina anyepe de enti na omunyepe because adwuma bia wom bia ne de esa wo ye dey ogie adwuma no ho aka de edimi when Sami Jamfi's own came enya de na ham you because adwuma no nhyehyɛ ene de ya to paper so say oba eno no obeje nti Sami Jamfi free won ne no obi foforo ba saa akatua no ne saa nhyehyɛ no obeje mini how ye dey see no so adwuma mo ye. And let's not forget say government institutions ni nyina including the assemblies ni we ni nyina no so no omo other incentives ya de kan omo
incentives now o kan no
emo survival
there be incentives now o kan no. For example, let me break it down for you. On an average mini MCB kasa na no pay ana meba ana me busa ne say that time na Nana Akufo-Addo ti omo de so no na omo December so me I say 5,200 5,400 and I'm busa ne say on a week oko a year say a year na oko no nso ye oko be 4 to 5 times a year
ba ne kru mu nyina na oko
a year on the average oko 4 to 5 times we penny every week we be a year 4 to 5 times
the nyina na oko so
the make catch when say you were a year out of bed 10 no e move 4 na 5 the won't mean kasa wonko
right
and am penyifo nso be se we year e wo se oko se wan kwa e wo se we japade eko into on the average no or spend it close to baby obekon one spend dia say year no be 1,000
spend
it
if we ne salary mu ana say your institution no so wo no ma bi e dey
wo sika ye de ma yi but in no but in sometimes in 1,000 institution there e bi e wo say ye de ma wo say wo de beko akobo yi no in 1,000 into most of times you have to enu nyambai a typical politician e sorry anopa na no na kwesi NDC chairman na kwesi edrumre bi na onnafie
Right.
Oni abemu. Oni position. But NDC chairman on nefi because obetimi asore 3 o'clock. Na ni pay twɛn school fees obeje. Meba hwan beje. It may be sense on the average of spend the same. Or say sometimes obetimi spend close to 5,000 to 10,000 on some of these things. What I'm saying is that MC or no any the president of the country, you can say community,
the district and municipality.
Now catching so 5,000, woman 5,000 a month. How catch so more no?
Nana, almost 5,000 no. I don't get it.
5,000 is nothing to a DC.
No, but then let's establish the facts. Almost salary in 5,000.
What I'm saying is that 5,000, even when you are paying them 20,000, it is nothing to a DC year on a handle portfolio. And I'm saying, you see, sometimes when we are speaking, it is good for us to say, oh, when you two mukase. But I'm just saying, sometimes, yem be womu, yem pa ye wohei, ye wohei. Any position in po.
Yeah.
A week. Sometimes a week we can spend over 10,000 a week.
Nana, what nan kana me de wo ko say ye wo hey. It said the budget at force in be ready.
Yes.
We had a lot of things as a country nan ke say. But he said that no maybe wo ha we twitwa so. Look at the nurses and the teachers in the house. They are not force in Casper found. Also, we cannot.
How many of them?
How
many are the teachers and the nurses compared to 275 MMDCs?
Nana, that justification, no,
it is important for us to establish you. First of all, edume bia ne ho akitua.
Yeah.
Right? Edume bia ne ho akitua. You cannot tell me, say, a DC year or manage an amount of maybe a 10 billion or 20 billion or whatever, 100 billion. And all the pressures that comes are you compare that one to a nurse.
Nana.
Just because you have not been paid.
Nana. The thing is, so we share DCs no assemblies no near there. They have certain
could you
the cobra?
Mamini honorable could you upon Kruma?